Science facts that sound fake but are 100% true. Part 3. The darkest truths science has discovered at this very moment. The universe is expanding so fast that entire galaxies are disappearing forever. Not dying. Erased. And there's nothing we can do. Some parts of the universe are already gone because light takes time to travel. We don't see the universe as it is. We see it as it was. Some stars you see tonight no longer exist. Some galaxies already crossed the point where their light can never reach us again. They are permanently lost to time. Still visible, but already gone. The universe has a built-in death clock. Dark energy is accelerating expansion. If it continues, the universe will end in heat death. No stars. No light. No motion. Just endless cold darkness. The universe doesn't explode. It fades. Forever. There are black holes older than the stars around them. Some black holes formed less than 1 billion years after the Big Bang. They existed before most galaxies. They didn't grow with the universe. They were born monstrous. We still don't know how. You can be spaghettified near a black hole. Gravity stretches you into a long, thin strand. Feet pulled harder than your head. Atoms ripped apart. Your information smeared across space. This is not theory. It's predicted by general relativity. The vacuum of space is not empty. Even in perfect vacuum, particles appear and vanish. Virtual particles borrow energy from nothing. Reality constantly tears itself open and reseals. Nothingness is unstable. The universe might decay instantly. Our universe may be in a false vacuum. A lower energy state could exist. If a vacuum decay bubble forms, it would expand at the speed of light, erasing physics itself. No warning. No survival. No after. We wouldn't see it coming. Time might be an illusion created by entropy at fundamental levels. The laws of physics don't require time. Time may emerge only because entropy increases. If entropy stopped changing, time would stop. The past and future would collapse into one. Consciousness might be a side effect, not a purpose. Your brain is a prediction machine. Consciousness may exist only to help you survive. Not to understand reality. Not to perceive truth. Just to keep the body alive. What you experience may be a useful hallucination. The universe does not care if you exist. The constants of physics allow life. But life is not required. 99.99% of the universe is instantly lethal. Existence is not welcoming. You are an accident in a hostile cosmos. There are things we can never observe beyond the cosmic horizon. Information will never reach us. Entire regions of reality exist forever unobservable. Not unknown. Unknowable. Your atoms have lived other lives. Atoms in your body were once inside stars, planets, oceans, other organisms. Some atoms inside you may have passed through millions of living things. Identity is temporary. Matter is eternal. The brain can create entire realities under extreme conditions. The brain generates fully immersive worlds. Time slows. People relive decades in seconds. Your sense of reality is fragile. Your brain can replace it. Spacetime can tear under extreme energy. Spacetime itself can break. Singularities form. Physics stops working. Our equations collapse. Reality has limits. You will never experience the present moment. Your brain processes reality with a delay. You are always living milliseconds in the past. The now is unreachable. You never experience reality directly. The universe might reset itself. Some theories suggest the universe undergoes cycles. Big Bang. Expansion. Collapse. Over and over. If true, this may have happened before. And will happen again. There are more ways for you to not exist than to exist. Quantum mechanics allows multiple possible outcomes. You exist in one. Countless versions of reality exist where you don't. Existence is the exception. Death is not the end of activity. After death, cells remain active. Genes activate. Neurons fire briefly. The body continues without you. Life fades in layers. The universe will eventually forget you ever existed over enough time. Stars die, matter decays, information disperses, even black holes evaporate. In the far future, nothing will remember anything. Existence leaves no permanent record. Reality breaks at the smallest scale below the Planck length. Space and time lose meaning. Cause and effect collapse. We don't know what exists there. Reality ends. Science has no final answer. Every answer creates more questions. There may be no ultimate explanation. No final truth. Just deeper mystery. Forever. Science didn't reveal a comforting universe. It revealed one that is vast, and different, and unimaginably strange. And the most unsettling truth. The more we understand reality, the less it resembles anything meant for us. If this made you question reality, like the video, share it, and subscribe, because this is only the beginning.